So say you get a brand new machine or you get a brand new grade control display like this one, and you put it on your machine and you can't get the grade control to hold 0 for nothing. Your numbers don't match. 1 inch isn't 1 inch, 2 inches isn't 2 inches, even though you've recalibrated the 0 setting. What could be wrong? Well, most of these ship from Europe or other places, and they come still set in centimeters. Each display works independent, so even if the machine's, the box up on top of the machine is reading correctly, this one may be in centimeters. So I'm going to show you how to change that and put it back to inches. So you're going to have to hit your home button, your setup, and you're going to go into the display setup. You're going to page down, because down whenever you see this, it means there's another page you can see. So you're going to page down, and here's your setting. You can set the language of the machine. You can also set metric or imperial. So we're going to click this, change that to say imperial, and we're going to hit back. Now when I go back to my grade control, you can see it's reading back in inches again. Nothing here tells you whether it's inches or centimeters, which is kind of frustrating because you can't tell unless you just notice that it's all out of whack. So again, if I wanted to change it back to centimeters, see this 1.6 inches is going to change. So I'm going to go back home, setup, display, down a page, change this back to metric, back. Now it's showing 4.1, which is 4.1 centimeters. So that's how you change that setting. If you find that's the case for you, you can change from inches to centimeters if that's what you like to use, or vice versa.